what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my YouTube Live and Facebook Live. Okay? Welcome to my live stream and stuff like that. So, blogging on Facebook, blogging on YouTube. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody's doing a live stream. Even the churches is. And it's raining soft right now. Y'all see that? I thought heavy rain was coming soon. They said 80%. They said 80%. This this don't look like 80% to me, you know. So maybe it'll rain harder than that later on. Probably at 12 o'clock when the newscast come on or whatever. Yep, almost 12 though. Hmm. Imagine that, y'all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't that something, y'all? Well, that sucker talking wrong or whatever. Well, never mind that sucker. Okay. I didn't say the F word. I say sucker, not the F word. Okay. I hope I hope they did the. Yeah, I hope the closed caption works right. You know, police caption. You know, it's raining hard right now, but it was supposed to be heavy rain. That's what they say. Mm-hmm. Peyton Malone, were you telling the truth? Well, I can't call you a liar though. You know, it's a surprise. Okay.